Here's another in-depth appliance repair video from Sheen Appliance Repair and Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to put a push-to-start switch on a Whirlpool dryer. Tools you'll need are a straight screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4 inch and 5/16 nut driver, and a pair of channel locks or pliers, your basic tools. First thing we're going to do is take the knob off the push-to-start switch. Then we're going to go around to the back part of the console and take that back plate off with a 1/4 inch nut driver. After that, we locate our push to start switch, take our straight screwdriver, and pry off that electric harness very gently. Once we pull it off, we will pull back on the prong that's on top of the push to start switch. And when you do, you twist it to the left and it'll pop right out. And you'll see the square housing on the push to start switch that goes into the square hole on the console. Now that we got our new switch, you're going to put the square part back into the square hole, put it at an angle, and then you're going to twist it till it seats in. After that, put your wire harness back on. Then take your 1/4 inch nut driver and go ahead and put your back panel back on the dryer.